Now you got that nice, rich ooze from Ninja Turtles, flavo. So we're gonna make some drinks here today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts on updated videos. All right, here we go. All right, we're gonna make a melon ball shot. Fill your shaker tin with ice. We'll do some melon liqueur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Splash of lemon juice. Some pineapple. Put a good shake. Strain. Now you got that nice, rich ooze from Ninja Turtles, flavo, Incredible Hulk. The cherry, it's also the Grinch.